Let's go back to Oliver Sloup. Oliver, I know the cash cattle trade last week kind of slipped a little bit. We gave up a couple of bucks from the week before. Do you see more of a trend like that, or do you think it'll regroup this week?
Yeah, I wouldn't be too surprised to see it just kind of trend sideways here. We had a good run over last month and a half, and I think time for the market to catch its breath would be very welcome to the market. We saw some weakness right out of the gate in cattle futures, which was a little bit nerve-wracking. We've been pretty upbeat on live cattle and feeder cattle here for the past several weeks as we enter a seasonally friendly time of year. In fact, for that April contract from December 9th to about January 3rd, market's been profitable 15 out of the last 15 years. And I hope I didn't just jinx that, but there's also a strong seasonal in the January feeders as well. Same time frame, December 9th to about January 3rd, 13 out of the last 15 years, with the average gain being about $3. So there's seasonal strength here. But the technicals have softened up, and you can see that in the live cattle contract. We were kind of hanging on by the seat of our pants here this morning against significant support. 137 and a half. That was a breakout point from November 19th and recent support. If that gives way, that'll neutralize our bias. But if we can continue to defend that, I think there's room to the upside here.
Still, the cash cattle trade, if you figure about 140 out there, you have it still trading at a premium to what the futures are. So sooner or later, somebody's going to have to blink. One will have to go a little higher, or one will have to drop a little bit. We'll keep tabs on that right here. Oliver, good to talk with you again. Thanks for the advice on the markets today. Oliver Sloup of Blue Line Futures in Chicago.